Beautiful handcrafted wood products. Send a nice gift to someone or just buy a gift for yourself. LUTZSHOP.com. Made here in America. All right, guys, I'm sitting in the totally redesigned, reimagined, just beautiful 2019 Toyota RAV4. This will be a quick walk around video. My first reaction to this vehicle, I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs up. Been driving around for the last couple of days, and it is a vast improvement. So look for my full review of the RAV4 coming soon. And guys, I quickly want to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video and every video I create in the month of June, LUTZSHOP.com. I'll leave a link below so you can check them out. My buddy Jason Lutz is the maker of fine wood crafted items like this beautiful double-edged safety razor here. Made or crafted from the bat or the barrel of a Louisville Slugger. If you need logo pins, a unique gift, beautiful handcrafted wood products from LUTZSHOP.com. Now back to the vehicle. I've been driving this around for the last couple of days and it's vastly improved all the way around. I love the exterior look because it looks different. It's a departure from the plain vanilla small SUVs that are flooding the market. This doesn't look like every other vehicle in the parking lot. Now, on the interior, vastly improved. Your environment is much different. A lot more soft touch materials on the interior here. Nice new form factor in the seats. There's slimmer design, much more modern. Just a pleasant, modern, and simple interior, guys. And the one thing that I am loving about this RAV4, the driving dynamics are super. It's got great get up and go and a nice throaty engine. This vehicle is flat out fun to drive. But you're gonna have to come back and check out the full review. And you're also gonna have to get to LUTZSHOP.com if you're looking for something unique, an upscale gift. Look at that. Fine wood crafted Louisville Slugger. Send a nice gift to someone or just buy a gift for yourself. Handcrafted. Look at that. LUTZSHOP.com. Don't sleep. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that pen. Made here in America. Reach out to Jason Lutz and let him know the average guy sent you. And I will see you guys soon.